Okay, let's just dive right into this. Welcome to today's explainer. We are tackling literally one of the most universal, deeply annoying frustrations of modern tech life, running out of space on your phone. You know the feeling. You want to capture a perfect moment. Maybe your dog is finally doing that cute trick, or you just need to download a Crucial app, and bam, your screen freezes you out with that dreadful alert. Well, today, we aren't just going to vent about this problem. We are going to give you a manual, engineer-level fix to reclaim your device. We're going to walk through exactly how to free up to 20 gigabytes of space. And honestly, the best part, we're doing it without forcing you to delete a single one of your important personal files. Let's get to it.
We have absolutely all been there, right? You get the dreaded storage almost full warning. You panic, you spend 20 minutes agonizing over which cherished photos to delete, you uninstall apps you actually use, maybe you even clear out your text messages. And yet, after all that sacrifice, the warning completely refuses to disappear. It just sits there, mocking you. Your storage is still full. So why does this happen? Well, it turns out it's not your photos causing the real bottleneck.
The true culprit is actually hiding in plain sight. When you look at a typical phone storage breakdown, you've got your apps and media slice, which you control. You've got the OS, or operating system slice, which is absolutely necessary for the phone to, run. But then, there's this massive, intimidating slice taking up a huge chunk of the pie. It's vaguely labeled Other or sometimes System Data. And on a lot of phones, this mysterious slice is secretly hoarding anywhere from 15 to 30 gigabytes of your space. Fix 1. The Other Storage Villain.
So let's actually uncover the mystery of what this massive chunk of data really is. Our source breaks this down perfectly. When you see Other or System Data, your phone makes it sound incredibly important, right? Like if you touch it, the whole entire phone will break. But the reality is actually quite the opposite. This section is largely made up of hidden cache files, junk thumbnails, and leftover update packages. It is not essential data. It's essentially a giant collection of digital junk that your phone, for whatever reason, absolutely refuses to delete automatically. It just lets it pile up. So since the phone won't do it, we're going to have to roll up our sleeves and manually clean it out like an engineer.
Moving on to clearing secret app cache.
This right here is arguably the biggest space waster on your entire device, and it's happening entirely behind the scenes without your permission. Here is exactly how we hunt it down. Just follow this navigation path. Step 1, open your phone's settings. Step 2, go to Apps. Step 3, open App Management. And Step 4, sort your apps by size. The biggest offenders sitting right at the top of that list are almost always social media apps. We're talking Instagram, TikTok, Chrome, Telegram. Why? Because as you doom scroll, these apps are secretly downloading background memory from every single video you watch just so they can load faster. And all of that temporary data gets trapped on your phone.
Now, when you tap into one of those heavy apps and look at its storage usage, you're going to see two options. Understanding the difference here is absolutely crucial. You will see Clear Cache and Clear Data. You must explicitly tap Clear Cache. That button is perfectly safe. It simply acts as a broom to sweep out that temporary digital junk we just talked about. But you must never, ever tap Clear Data, unless you are intentionally trying to reset the app. Clear Data is the nuclear option. It will completely log you out and delete your personal app settings. So remember the golden rule: cache is trash. Clear the cache.
And the payoff for doing this is pretty much immediate. If you repeat this simple cache clearing process on just your top 5 heaviest apps, you can instantly reclaim a massive 3 to 5 gigabytes of space. Literally just like that.
Next up, Fix 2, deleting hidden ghost thumbnails.
We're dealing with a rather creepy phenomenon hiding right inside your phone's photo gallery. Every single time you open it to quickly look at a picture, your phone wants those pictures to load instantly. To make that happen, it creates a hidden mini copy of your photos called a thumbnail. The problem is, over months and years, these ghost copies just build up. They never leave. They accumulate into this massive hidden folder that slowly and silently eats away at your internal storage capacity.
Let's unmask this folder and destroy it. Step 1, open your phone's File Manager or My Files app. Step 2, and this is vital, go to the settings within that app and turn on Show Hidden System Files, because otherwise, you won't even see it. Step 3, navigate to Internal Storage, then the DCIM folder, and right there you will find a folder named .thumbnails. Step 4, simply delete that entire folder. Throw the whole thing in the trash. And let me reassure you right now, your actual high-resolution photos are 100% safe. You haven't touched them. You just deleted thousands of completely useless ghost copies.
Fix 3, the WhatsApp sent media trap.
This one targets a very specific issue, but if you were one of the billions of people using WhatsApp, our source material drops this genuinely shocking revelation. WhatsApp is eating your storage twice. What does that even mean? Well, when you record a video of your dog and send it to a friend, you'd think the app just sends it, right? Wrong. WhatsApp actually creates and keeps a permanent, completely hidden copy of every single video and image you send to someone.
We actually need to dig into the system to stop this duplicate trap. Here is your exact folder pathway. Step 1. Go back to your file manager, tap Internal Storage, then Android, then Media. Step 2. Look for com.whatsapp, tap into WhatsApp, and then Media. Step 3. Open the folders called WhatsApp Video or WhatsApp Images. Step 4. Look inside, and you will see a folder specifically called Sent. Confidently highlight that Sent folder and just delete the entire thing.
Now, if you're feeling a little nervous about deleting things deep in your files, take a breath. You already have the original, high-quality videos safely stored in your main camera gallery. You absolutely do not need WhatsApp hoarding a duplicate, hidden copy deep in your system files. You're just removing useless duplicates with zero risk to your actual memories.
Finally, Fix 4. Purging old system updates.
For our final, slightly more technical step, we're tackling the massive files left behind by Android system updates. Every time your phone tells you it has a new update, it downloads this massive installation package. But what happens after it actually installs? Often, absolutely nothing. The old installation files just sit there. They can easily trap 3 to 4 gigabytes of pure dead weight in your internal storage, doing literally nothing but taking up space you could be using.
So, how do we actually purge this heavy system junk? Well, it depends on the manufacturer of your phone, so we've broken down the 2 different methods right here. For Samsung users, open your phone dialer, just like you're making a normal call, and type *#9900#. That's *#9-9-00#. This is going to pop open a secret system menu. Just look for and tap Delete Dump State/logcat, and that's it. For other brands, you don't need a secret code. Just open your phone's built-in security or PhoneMaster app, run the Deep Clean scanner, and look for the prompt to remove old OTA or over-the-air packages. Both of these methods safely sweep out that heavy system debris.
So, bringing it all together, how many gigabytes of space did you just free up? Taking 10 minutes to execute these 4 engineer-level steps proves you really don't always need to buy a brand new phone or pay for extra cloud subscriptions. But, it also begs a much bigger question. If our own devices are secretly hoarding up to 30 gigabytes of duplicate junk and ghost files entirely without our permission, what else are tech companies storing right under our noses? Keep exploring, keep questioning your tech, and we'll see you in the next explainer.